Our second report will be hours worked by employee. It will include the employee's last name and first name, which is not included in the hours worked table. So the easiest way to do this is to create a query that gives us the data we want, and then build the report around the query like we built the last report around a table. So to do this, we first need the query that we're going to build the table from. So we will go to the Create tab, back to Query Design. We will need the employee table, and we will need the hours worked table, and we will need to link them as before. Remember what I said about the dots terminating the ends of the relationship lines. Now we will need the last name, which is on the employee table. We will need the first name, which is also on the employee table. We want to have the week number just as before, which is on the hours worked table. So I can select it directly from the field drop down, or as I've been doing, I can select the hours worked table first, which will allow me a cleaner drop down in the field drop down box, and we will choose week number and then hours worked from the hours worked table, which is the hours field. Alright, now that is all there is to this query. It's a simple select query that will pull this information. So we will save it, and then we'll build the form from this query in the next video. When we save this one we are going to rename. We'll backspace over the name, and the author of the text has named this for hours worked by employee report. That name is a query, but it tells you that this query was generated for the main purpose of building the next report.